Hello everyone, I'm Ahmed Zahid and this is my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will talk about the process from submission the application until you got the letter of award from the scholarship. Of course I'm talking about Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship. I will show you all the emails that you will get in case of acceptance or rejection, and also I will give you some alternative solution in case of rejection.
Oh my god!
Please watch the video until the end because I will talk about some important points you should be aware of. Of course, I advise all the applicants to start preparing for the entrance exam from universities. I made videos before about interview question and answer. You can check it. I will leave it in the description of this video. Kindly subscribe the channel and give me thumb up. Leave a comment if you have any question and I will answer as soon as possible. Okay, let's dig into the point of the video. The first email you will get after submission, it says, for example, congratulations, of course your name, your application has been successfully submitted. We will start working with the application and inform you about the next steps as soon as possible. Stipendium Hungaricum. Make sure that you submitted your application successfully. Okay, the second email you will receive in the beginning of February. It's important to know the first review is about technical check. If there is no error or missing document, as a reminder, the document that the scholarship said there is no postpone for it. After the check, they will send it to the sending partner of your country. They will tell you, of course, to be patient until March. And we can see if you meet the requirements of the technical check, your application is forwarding to the sending partner. As I said before, we send no notification to the applicants. Of course, they will not send you any notification in case if they send your application to the sending partner. Next, we will talk about sending partner result. The third email in March is about the result of sending partner. The first situation is rejection, unfortunately. The email said, we regret to inform you that the sending partner didn't nominate you for the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship and therefore your application unfortunately cannot be considered for the next step of the application process. To avoid this, you should achieve all the conditions that the sending partner put. You should read it carefully, especially the age required for each level. Sometimes sending partner put his own condition. For example, he required some English certificate. For example, he put for master you should achieve IELTS 6.5 or 7, and the university didn't require that. But this is the condition that the sending partner put. If you want to study in Hungary, but not according to the Stipendium Hungaricum as a self-paid, there was in the application when you apply, check, you can mark it. In this situation, the university will contact you to start your application as a self-paid, and sometimes some university give part scholarship, and this is really good advantage. If you are interested to study in this university, you should contact to the coordinator and ask part scholarship if they can give you part scholarship, for example, for 1 or 2 semesters. Of course, you should contact with the coordinator of the program and ask about that because it's different from university to university. In case you achieve all the conditions of sending partner, you will receive this email. Congratulations! We are happy to inform you that you have been nominated for Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship by sending partner in your country. Now it's really time to prepare for entrance exam of universities. My advice to focus on the first choice that you did choose in the application, because if you got accepted from the second choice, not the first one, the scholarship, 50% will not give you acceptance. And always read your email regarding the date of entrance exam. Some students miss the date and lose the scholarship because of that.
No! God, please, no!
If you don't verify the condition of university, you will receive email reject unfortunately, and they will tell you why without the interview. For example, some of my friends received this email from University of Zagreb, and they told him that your application of university regarding the name of the program has been formally rejected, and they will list the reasons. Or if you verify the condition, they will invite you to interview or entrance exam. Then they will decide to give you acceptance or not according to the result of entrance exam. Here we see kind of invitation to entrance exam from University of Page. After you did well in the interview, you may get acceptance or conditional acceptance. In most cases, people get conditional acceptance because of missing documents, and as long as you upload it, you will get acceptance. But this is not scholarship decision yet. As we can see, here is conditional acceptance from University of Page. You have received a conditional acceptance offer from University of Page regarding the name of the program. In order to get acceptance, you need to update your application by fixing the condition. Of course, they list some missing documents, for example, medical test, and as long as you upload it, you will get final acceptance. After that, you will receive letter of admission from university. Dear, your name, you have received an acceptance offer from University of Page. As next step, you will be evaluated for the scholarship. Of course, this is acceptance from the university, not scholarship decision yet. And they mentioned, bear in mind that this is not scholarship decision yet, but positive result from the institution. After that, as you can see, you will receive letter of admission from university. Here, please find attached letter of acceptance issued by University of Page. The final acceptance from the scholarship, maybe you got accepted but in the waiting list for a while, then they will give you the result, or you can get rejected because they usually choose the best student score. Even if you got the university acceptance, it doesn't mean that you will get the scholarship acceptance. A lot of cases you got admission from university but the scholarship give you reject. Of course, first you will get the result via email that you got the scholarship, and you should go to the website and accept the offer. Moreover, you will receive the letter of award. In September, you will receive email about signing the agreement with the university. As we can see, in order to keep their scholarship status, all scholarship holders must sign an agreement with their university. It's essential, and here is the instruction how you will sign it. Print it, sign it blue pen on the last page above your printed name, scan in high resolution in a well-readable quality, then send it to stipendium@bte.hu as one PDF file. And here you can see the 3 documents: the letter of admission from university, the tempus acceptance, the scholarship acceptance, and finally the agreement with the university. And here confirmation about the agreement. Dear, of course, your name, your scholarship agreement has been accepted by your host university. You don't have any further task regarding the agreement. When you get all the documents, you can start the visa process, and I will make a video about it soon. I will give you documents about the whole process. Read it carefully. I will leave it in the description of the video. If you like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, PM me if you need any help, or leave a comment here and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Here is the sources of all my information about this video. You can check this PDF file and read it carefully. And see you soon. Bye.